Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Today I have a great Halloween craft for you. I'm going to take this paper cup and I'm going to turn it into a pop-up ghosty. I'm going to teach you how to make it right now. For this project, you'll need a black paper cup, wood skewer, a 1-inch styrofoam ball, scissors, 9-inch square of table plastic, glue dots, a 3 by 2-inch piece of cardstock, an awl or thin Phillips head screwdriver, googly eyes, Sharpie pen, and a glue gun. So this is just a tablecloth, a cheap plastic tablecloth. Cost me $1 at the Dollar Tree. And I cut that into a 9-inch square. Then at the Dollar Tree, you can get these floral foam balls, and they come with an assortment. All we need is the 1-incher. So I'm going to take my black paper cup here, which again, I got at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to pop a hole right in the center with my awl. In this case, this is just a little thin Phillips head screwdriver, which again, I got at the Dollar Tree. And then I'm just going to pop my skewer through the hole to make it big enough there. So that goes in and out very easily. Before I make my little ghosty though, I'm going to make my rest in peace tombstone. So to do that, all I'm going to do is just go cut from the side up and over to make a tombstone shape. So all I did was just go up and over. And then, of course, I have to make it look like a tombstone. So I'm going to put R-I-P, which stands for rest in peace. And I'm going to make it a little cracked, just make little crack lines over on the side here and over here. I can even give it a little bit of lines here to make it look like it's got a little roundedness over there. So there we go. I've got my rest in peace. See where the seam on the cup is? I'm going to take my hot glue gun. Whoops. I'm going to take my hot glue gun and I'm just going to put a bead of hot glue and then I'm just going to stick this right on the back like that. There we go. Now I'm going to be using a lot of glue dots for this. First thing I want to do is take my little head here and I want to pop it onto the top of the skewer. And I'm going to take 4 glue dots. I'm going to place these around the outside edge of the ball. So 3 of them go on the outside edge and 1 goes on the top. Find the center of your 9-inch square and just take that top one and just go bloop right in the middle there. And then fold the edges over and secure them to the ball. There we go. So now you should have the corners, and what you want to do is take a glue dot and place it on the corner in the front, right here. Feed the stick through that hole that you made. And then take that glue dot and attach it to the very front of the cup. Now you want to repeat this with all 4 corners in all 4 directions, kind of like a north, south, east, and west. Now pull it on down in. That is your little ghosty. As you can see, he comes up and down pretty easily. If when you pull it out, you think it comes out too far, You can add more glue dots, but I kind of like the fact that he can really rise above his grave. So let's push him back down in, and let's give him his eyeballs, because he's got to have some little eyes here. So I've got my glue dot, and I should only need one glue dot because these are pretty tiny eyes. And just going to place them right in the center. And now he can go down and he can rise on up. Here he comes. Is it safe to come out? And there you have it. Your very own pop-up ghostie. For more great ideas for Halloween, check us out, Sophie-World.com.